Your position before you took the recess, did you have that feeling as well?
Yes, I did, and based in part on the comment that he made in terms of what he thought his understanding was. And then, of course, we took the recess to see if there could be any further discussions, and that didn't materialize. And so we decided to let the judge decide, and he agreed with our position on it.
What was the recess about? What did you and Mr. Lawrence decide? Did you try to split the difference, or were you both adamant in your own positions?
I think the latter is correct. We were both adamant in our position, so we really didn't have any discussion about splitting the difference or anything else.
What were you surprised by the judge's very harsh comments to Mr. Byrd, admonishing him for what he did, and he basically said you were a disgrace to law enforcement? Were you surprised by the judge's harsh statement?
No, I wasn't surprised at all. I mean, Judge Coleman's been on the bench for a long time. He's a good judge, he's a very honorable judge. And when you have a law enforcement officer or a public official that enters a plea, regardless of the nature of the plea, you can expect some kind of chastisement. No, I wasn't surprised.
First thing I think I would like to say is that obviously I'm disappointed in the result today. The state of Mississippi made clear our position in this matter. And I actually thought today I would be defending y'all for the decision I asked the court to do. I never dreamed that it would be a lesser sentence than that. So I am disappointed. I respectfully disagree with what the court did. I think he deserved more than 6 months. I think that the actions he took as sheriff in this county in his latter years deserved more punishment than what he got today. But that's my opinion. I don't make the final decision. The judge makes the final decision. The judge could have put him in jail. The judge could have given him less. The judge chose to give him less. I can't explain it. I can tell you this. I don't understand, the judge obviously appeared somewhat confused about the proceedings that happened on 12/9. I can't explain that because I've never talked to the judge after 12/9. But I did do a letter, and I'm going to give you all a copy of the letter if you want it. The letter that I put into the record on 12/9 and that I'll give you a copy of is what the state was asking for. It is what the state maintained in the transcript that you'll get to maintain what we wanted the defendant to receive. For the last 16 months, the investigation's been ongoing. It's been a tough time for the people in my office and the law enforcement that's been involved in the investigation. We're subpoenaed to testify in front of the Jackson County Grand Jury over a 6-month period. Over 10,000 documents were collected, trying to get to the bottom of some of the allegations we heard.